Which option is correct based on a given assertion and reason? Whereas assertion is given as house made up of concrete roof overlaid with foam keeping the room hot during a summer. The statement is wrong because foam insulation helps to reduce the heat transfer by trapping air pockets, which minimize the amount of heat entering a building. So, as a result, rooms are kept cooler during a summer, not hotter. So, statement A or else assertion A given here is wrong. Let us check the reason. The reason is given as the layer of foam insulation prohibits heat transfer as it contains air pockets. So this statement is true because foam insulations work as a thermal barrier because air pockets reduce the heat conduction and convection and make it effective in keeping a building cooler in summer and warmer in winter. So reason given here is correct. So based on that, we can say option B given here will be the correct answer. A is false, but R is true.